In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text appear one by one in CapCut PC. If you want that clean typewriter style effect, where your text reveals itself letter by letter as you speak, this is one of the easiest ways to do it inside CapCut on desktop. It works especially well for storytelling videos, subtitles, short tutorials, and any edit where you want the words to feel more dynamic and engaging without doing anything overly complicated. To begin, go down to your timeline and find the text layer or title block you want to animate. Once you see it, click directly on that text segment one time. When it's selected properly, you'll notice a bright white outline around the block. That border is important because it confirms CapCut knows exactly which text layer you want to edit. If nothing is selected, any settings you change may not apply to the right element, so it's always a good idea to check this first before moving on. After that, move your cursor to the top right area of the screen, where the Properties panel is located. This is where CapCut gives you access to detailed controls for whatever clip or text layer you currently have selected. In that panel, look across the top and click on the tab labeled Animation. Once you're inside the Animation section, make sure the subtab called In is selected. The In category controls how your text first enters the screen, so this is the correct place to set up a typewriter reveal effect for the beginning of your text. Now it's time to apply the actual effect. In the animation options, scroll through the preset thumbnails until you find the one called Typewriter. When you see it, click it once to apply it to your selected text. As soon as you do that, your text will be set to reveal itself one character at a time, creating that smooth typing effect. To fine-tune the timing, look just below the animation presets for the duration slider. This lets you control the speed of the effect. Drag the slider to the right if you want the text to appear more slowly, which can be helpful when you want the typing to match a slower voiceover or create more suspense. Drag it to the left if you want the text to reveal faster for a snappier pace. A good tip here is to preview the animation after adjusting it so you can make sure the text rhythm feels natural with your video. And that's it. Your text will now appear one by one in CapCut PC with a simple polished typewriter animation.